This is why you need these tech hacks in your life. Ready to have your mind blown? Alright, let's dive in. First up, did you know you can turn your old smartphone into a security camera? Just download a free app like Alfred and boom, instant surveillance. Next, tired of messy cables? Use binder clips to keep them in check. Simple, yet genius. Ever lost your phone in the dark? Just say, "Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight." Thank me later. For all the multitaskers out there, split screen on your computer is a game changer. Press Windows key plus left or right arrow to snap windows side by side. And finally, turn your phone into a scanner with apps like Cam Scanner. No more running to the office for that one document. There you go, tech enthusiasts. 5 hacks to make your life easier and a whole lot cooler. Give them a try and thank me later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome